Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Driving the Wheels Off. As some of you know, my wife and I own a business called Big Fan Art Studio, and we travel all over the country selling fancy candles. We go to several different markets and festivals, and sometimes it's dark outside when we get done with the market. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add a lighting system both under and in the bed of the truck so that we can remedy that problem. So let's get started. I'm not sure what tools we're going to need for this project just yet, but this is the lighting system we're going to use. It comes with 3 LED light strips and all the wiring, except for this spool over here, which I purchased separately because I know how big the truck is and I know exactly where I want to put the on and off button, which is actually in the bed of the truck. So we're going to need some extra wire for that. Now that we have the rope lights opened up, I can kind of see how things connect. 2 of the strip lights have connectors like this on one end, and one of them has a connector like this on one end, and then it has a different connector on this end, which daisy chains to one of the other lights. The dual connector, which is actually plugged into the power or the switch, has these 2 connectors. So let's go to the back of the truck and decide how we're going to run these lights and how we're going to connect the daisy chain. Here's the plan. We're going to run one strip of the lights down the passenger side towards the front of the cab. We're going to daisy chain at that end. Then we're going to bring the other strip light towards the back, towards the tailgate, and we're going to connect everything right here with the switch. Then we're going to connect there to go under the truck and put one strip underneath the bed. We're going to start by peeling off the 3M tape from the back of the LED strip. We're going to put it in place, and then we're going to add a couple of brackets just to hold it up there. We're going to be using a 3/32 drill bit, and as you can see here, you can put a little bit of an arc on it, so you don't have to go in a straight line if you don't want to. And I have all my hardware in this magnetic cup so that I don't lose the little screws. We're just going to put a bracket in place. We're going to mark it. And if you purchase the set that I'm using, you're going to use a PH1 screwdriver. Now let's go ahead and put on the driver's side. There are 9 total brackets for the set, so we're going to use 3 brackets per strip light. If you're finding this episode helpful, please hit that like and subscribe, as it really helps out our channel. Now let's put our brackets on. And if you're interested in learning anything about our candles, please hop over to our Big Fan Art Studio channel or check us out on www.bigfanartstudio.com. Now we're going to run the last LED light underneath the bed of the truck. This would be kind of difficult to try and video, so I'm going to go ahead and attach it, and then I'll show you what the results look like. Also, I've gone ahead and put our power cable in. I started from the front end and I ran it along with a lot of the other cables that go towards the back. The next step is connecting the power wires to the lighting wires, and for this particular set, it does come with a 5 amp inline fuse. Now we're going to pull this wire so we have enough to do everything we're going to do on the battery, and then we're going to connect these 2 connectors and put them on here in 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Looks nice.
Well, that's it, folks. As you can see, we're not going to have any problem loading and unloading at night anymore. We appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.